And the little dirty bastard Danny Bless from England. Everybody know him from upper London. Him out here fight a married woman.
You see these men? They're not fucking about.
You really want to give up that game, yeah?
I'm the original Jamaican bad man.
For a series that I'm in called Badness. If you are in London, you should definitely check it out.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greatest, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up myself, you don't know a lion foot, the man of pace, though. Yeah, but I say give thanks to life for the strength, give thanks to another day. You see me and say? Yes, my life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. Yeah, man. Live and let others live. You see me and say? Yes, man. In this vlog here, we have Danny Bless, entrance boss. Allegedly a fighter a married woman got caught on camera. Our part of Bristol left. We don't know if it's true. We don't know if I lie. So me get it, so me sell it. Zane, I'm going to see people go on. And also, you know, Danny Bless, boy, I tell you, a new movie, Badness. Badness. Yeah. Out. From where they say them a premiered from last year, we have snippets, and it features a lot of big acts, you know what I mean? Including Danny Bless. So the vlog here is solely about Danny Bless, good and bad. You know what I say? So, yeah man, and Badness are premiere next week, Wednesday, the 20th, at the Ritz Theatre in Brixton, Ritzy, you see me? But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I know about them thing why so we are forward.
Ayo, Lion Foot TV station, them have know what going. We fix up the whole nation and the whole works. Kaboom, calm down. Ayo, first tell them blood clot. Yabayu, this is not bounty killer. Big up killer. Yabayu, clack. Them have know what going. Kaboom, calm down. Me have the eagle and check me so the guy around me. Me all purpose. Me anger them vicious. Dash. Bang.
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share the content. See? Yes, man, you don't know why you're saying I will say equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength. You see me? Inclusion. And thank you all for your continuous support. For all the people who were asked if me stop posting. No, I haven't. I am posting. I don't know why I don't see it. Is either I will not click the bell or I am being shadow banned. That's what I say. But yeah, man, we are doing it, man. You see it? So anyway, Danny Bless, the entrance boss, the actor, the stage presenter, the MC, the artist, the promoter, Zine, that one part of Bristol, and like somebody catching on camera. Well, allegedly, them say my fight over a married woman, so that's where I go on.
And the little dirty bastard Danny Bless from England. Everybody know him from upper London. Him out here fight a married woman. Him a man. Dirty bastard. But the thing is a big star too, you know. I be a movie him come in, you know. And people are a blood clot, book him for this. Turn worthless. You can't imagine. What the fuck you for your fight down here for girl? Make man run down your big stick now. Can't drop the big stick nowhere. After you walk with it, go your yard, everywhere, go shop. Worthless bastard, watch him go up so. Him have to walk away, because him look for him. Bumble wall. He not even know some of video, him dirty bastard.
Viewers and subscribers, what do you say? Jado, boy, the way the man describe Danny Bless, how dirty dog, yeah? Big celebrity like you, a war over a married woman. Danny Bless, love the man and the woman, Danny Bless. Love the married couples. If you're a Joe grind, hit and run like what Shensia say. Yo, my viewers and subscribers. Yo, let me know what you think about that. Me, now war about no married woman. You see me? Take my slap and go on. You see me? Yo, we tell a star. Yes, man. I love and respect the boy I tell Danny Bless. I got caught on camera. Danny Bless caught on camera with a big board in his hand. Jah God. Yeah, tell them my viewers and subscribers. But anyway, Badness, a movie. Zine, like it finally released now and it's gonna be premiered next week, Wednesday, the 20th. So put it on the diary. I don't know, it's a black film. Well, and I mean multicultural, yeah, black and white, but some big names in it, isn't it? Zine. And I heard that it's gonna be a series. It was gonna be a film, but it was so good. The production is so good. They've now changed it to be a series. You know, the request from the fans, a request for a series. So I look forward to see it on the app, you know, on the TV. You know them TV, you know, have the app, Netflix and them thing there. Yeah? So Badness features Danny Bless and Kingpin and other acts. Zine, hello. So we're gonna make Danny Bless telling you what go on and Empress. I look a snippet of the movie because I don't know when I want to get into trouble on YouTube for the copyright infringement. So yeah man, I don't know. Watch and see what I go on.
Hey everybody, good morning. Hope everybody's doing great. I am packing and getting ready to go to London this weekend and next week. We've got the Power Women Awards happening in London, which is an award ceremony celebrating women. It's Women's History Month. And then I also have a screening for a series that I'm in called Badness. If you are in London, you should definitely check it out. Tickets are on sale now for both events. Tickets are on sale for the screening of Badness. If you don't get tickets quickly, though, it will sell out.
Yes, people. You know the entrance bars, you know. Some of the make people know so finally the big one is gonna be out March 20 at Brixton at the Ritz Cinema. A big bad movie named Badness. I know entrance bars featured in that film. You know, Clarendon first lady featured in that film. You know, Pretty from Reading featured in that film. Yeah. You know, Eric Moneybelly, Sweeper featured in that film. Kim Kardashian from Brixton featured in that film. Rudy Fuss, my British friend, featured in that film. Yeah man, Kingpin, my virgin again from South London, featured in that film. And so many different actors and actresses who have done a wonderful work. But I just am not going to know the Jamaican ain't enough. You understand me? So I just want to big up KD Pascal for write us in the storyline. So people, Harvey White, the big star. There's lots of actors and actresses who, you know, even ex-Miss Universes in the film. Whole heap of actors who have been in different films, you know, so it's a good platform. You understand? So people acknowledgement. Member, March 20, Brixton, the Ritz from 6:30. So you know it's about 9 o'clock when they come out of the cinema at 9:30. The price is economical. Please come and support us. I beg on the support. March 20, Brixton, right in front of McDonald's and KFC there, so. Entrance, member, movie name, Badness.
Yes man, Badness, movie name, Badness. Zine, Jamaican act, you know, Danny Bless and Kingpin night, and you know, Danny Bless has been in several different movies before with video ropes and, you know what I mean? Yeah man, they have the acting skills, so. And about this movie, I mean, when I see like them have a proper stunt person, we are sure them how to do the stunt acts them, you know, and things so them not hurt themselves, and you know what I mean. So it's a good look. Me myself, I look forward for go check it out. You see me, I might even go to the premiere next week. You see me, I say go see if we can get some footage and, you know, get a few interviews from, you know, a few questions, nothing much. You see it, so you don't know. I love and blessings my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man. Remember go check out the EP Welcome to Kingston. Is it? Yeah man, out on all digital platforms. I know we are all actors in and players of instrument, and you see me, I love my unity, we say man, equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love. You see me I say? So big up yourself, Danny Bless, big up the whole UK acts them, the actor them and the actress them. You see me I say? Inclusion, we can't live for nobody. You see it, I say I love my unity and strength. You see it? Yeah man, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You see me I say? Your support is highly appreciated. Loved. I'm a man of peace. Yes man, blessed love.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. million of food and water.
If a girl live in Larmobile, you a stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!